Me... Me again. At the time of recording, it is a Sunday, which can only mean one thing. A leisurely Sunday drive. But my path forward is blocked. As you can see, while it's not too deep here, it's approaching 1/3 of a dog deep in the middle. Or about 2/13 of a dog too deep to traverse safely. And I would hate to ruin the new car by driving it underwater. Or, in this case, subwoofer. Of course, I could be wrong about all this. But it's always infinitely harder for me to forgive myself if the thing I think will messes up. But then, of course, I have to worry about being overly pleased with myself that I didn't do a fun thing. You can't derive your main source of enjoyment from life by simply enjoying being relieved you didn't do the things you wanted to do. Well, you can, but it wouldn't be as enjoyable. So, I will seek out an alternative route. A bridge over troublesome water. Let's go. Me again. My alternative route led me to another water crossing. But this time, one only about 1/4 of a dog deep. Or at least I assume it is. There seems to be some obscure, archaic, numerical-based measuring standard applied here. Quite a lot of life can be quite stressful. But if you encounter something along your way that you really don't want to do, you can change paths and tackle something else. Instead of worrying about fractions of dogs or forcing myself to do something, if I spend more of my time pushing forward doing things I can do, I get somewhere, rather than just being stuck on the wrong side of the water, looking across at where I want to be. And along the way, I get to see some things that might inspire my future. I mean, just look at this thing. Not that I'm not quite pleased with my brand new second-hand car for now. Oh, wait, here it comes. Seems everyone and a dozen twelfths of their dog is out for a drive today.
Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed watching the new car in action. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye again.